Just above Wenatchee, tucked into the rolling foothills, is one of my favorite springtime trail systems in the area, Horse Lake Reserve. Today you're coming along with Chuck and me as we explore Homestead, Apricot Crisp, Glacier View and Burts Trail, plus we'll take a peek at the old barn and homestead. These trails are perfect for almost every trail lover, from trail runners to hikers to mountain bikers to families out for a short walk. There's a little bit of everything up here. Homestead Trail is pretty much a climb from start to finish, but the grades aren't especially steep and the trail rolls pleasantly up the hill. Throughout the entire system, you will find well-maintained single track with just a few sections of old double-track road mixed in. Nothing is especially technical, but the terrain is definitely hilly. But as you gain elevation, the views just keep getting better. At the top of Homestead Trail, be sure to take the short trail to the north up to a scenic overlook with a bench. It's a great spot to pause and take in the view before either turning around and heading back down for a 6-ish mile out and back, or continuing on to make a loop. Today we are going higher. A short pitch down followed by a steep double-track road up will take you to a junction with Glacier View and Lower Apricot Crisp. More on Glacier View in a minute. If you've got the time and don't mind the elevation gain, Lower and then the higher Upper Apricot Crisp Trails are, in my opinion, the prettiest in the system. You'll pass the mostly dry lake bed of Horse Lake before winding up the hill toward an old apricot orchard. Keep on climbing and you will come to a junction with Lightning Trail, which will take you down to the main Sage Hills trails. Or stay on Apricot Crisp to keep heading up. This area is especially beautiful in the spring, with scattered pines surrounded by a glorious display of wildflowers. Keep on going for even more spectacular views. Look down to the Wenatchee Valley and up toward Twin Peaks. Or whenever you're ready, head back down toward Glacier View Trail. Glacier View is especially fun for mountain bikers with around 2 miles of flowy, curvy, mostly downhill terrain. A short pitch up at the end of Glacier View will take you to another amazing viewpoint. From here, drop down a short distance to a junction with Burts Trail for even more winding single track. Look closely here and you can see Chuck winding down the trail. For a different option, take one of the roads like I did down toward the old barn. Either route is beautiful, and both will eventually lead back to the trailhead. If you're looking for scenic trails near Wenatchee with big views, fun terrain, and plenty of route options, Horse Lake Reserve is absolutely worth exploring. Thanks for coming along, and we will see you on the trail.